Hey guys, it's Lawton here with Verified Investing, back with another episode of the Trading Floor. I hope you had an amazing Memorial Day weekend. Thank you guys so much for the great comments and the positive feedback on last week's episode. We're going to start doing this every single week on Monday. I know today is not Monday, but we didn't have the markets were closed yesterday, so we thought we'd just go live on Tuesday again. So if you come with me, take a look. We're on our trading floor, and they're currently analyzing some potential trades they might take. We're going to try to do our best not to interrupt them so that they're able to provide our members with the best trades possible, but trying to give you a kind of behind the scenes look at everything that goes on the trading floor. So come with me, we'll go talk to Dr. B and see if there's any trades going on.
129.20 is that retrace.
How's it going?
How you doing?
Good.
Good morning.
Are you guys in any trades right now?
No, we're just taking a look at DraftKings here. Stock's down about 11% on the day. Traded about 2 million shares so far. It's a $17 billion company, so down over 10%. It's a decent drop. And you can see here on this screen, you can see that I've got a nice trend line here on the daily chart. It's coming in too. So yeah, there's a couple pivot highs here, pivot lows, and a bunch of other trend lines. So these are smaller time frame charts. And yeah,
So what level would you look to take a trade potentially? Like, what would it have to do for you to take a trade?
yeah. So really, I'm just being patient until it gets to my levels, right? I'm just being patient, waiting for the stock to come into that level. If it doesn't get to that level, then I just move on to the next trade, right? There's always another trade. So that's the key, really, is being patient, not FOMOing into trades, right, as they say, and just being very, very patient and disciplined. Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. B. Yeah, so again, they're not forcing any trades. They're just taking their times looking for the best quality trades. We're going to go see what Gareth is doing and try and talk to him if he's not in the middle of anything.
For solar, continuing to pull back here, 272 now. Well, now 273, but nice little pullback off that channel line. Still watching Workday. Workday again. The potential here is for a potential little long opportunity.
So he's constantly looking for different opportunities. What's going on, Gareth? So, are you in any trades right now?
Not yet, but it's starting out slow on a post-holiday session. A lot of times what happens is people kind of are hungover. Everyone's a little tired from drinks and hot dogs and burgers yesterday, right? But there are some things we're watching. Workday, if it comes down a little bit more, getting a surprise sell-off today. I was surprised at Apple. Apple was up at 195 and got pushed down going into the open. That's on my radar. And really, yeah, just looking at a few of these other ones here. So this is part of being a trader, is like you sit on your hands and you like a crouching tiger. And when the trade comes up, you have to be patient, because if you jump too early, you lose your dinner, essentially. And I think that's one of the big things to understand. You have to jump at the perfect level, the perfect chart, technical entry.
Cool. Thank you. We'll let him get back to trading and analyzing charts. Again, we'll update you if they get into any trades, but right now they're just taking a look at all the movers in the market, trying to figure out what the best opportunity to make money is. Let's go take a look at Ben Poole, see what he's up to.
Got a daily trend line in this mid-70s.
Hey, what's up?
Hey Ben, how's it going?
It's good. Yeah.
Good. Are you in any trades right now?
No, we're not in any trades right now, but we just something that just popped on our radar is CELH, so Celsius. It's an energy drink company, and earlier this morning it was flat on the day, and so now it just had this big dump out. So I'm not sure if there's any news, but yeah, there's a level that I'm looking at right here. Got this upsloping trend line, and then you've got this downsloping trend line as well. So if it flushes through here, then you could get a bounce off this level as well. So yeah, not quite yet, but yeah, right around $80. So you've got this all this price action in this area. You got this pivot low right here, and then you've got this pivot low right here. So, yeah, Celsius is looking interesting for sure.
And we drink a lot of Celsius in the office.
We do. Yes. So, if we can get that sponsorship,
Oh, yeah.
that'd be great.
Shout out Celsius.
Celsius.
Okay, we'll leave him to it.
All right.
Yeah, and Ben and I will be going live at 11 a.m. or 1 p.m. for Financially Fit, where we'll answer your questions live. But we're going to let him keep trading, see what's going on. And I can give you a little walk around of our setups to see. So we have some TVs here. We're usually have the news on here, potentially sharing charts with each other on these TVs. This is our graphic designer, Putri. She's amazing. She's also a web wizard. She does everything. Here on these screens, I know it always looks like we have a million screens. We're always looking at the different charts, the largest movers, and just analyzing the markets. Sorry, I don't know if you guys can see this, but we're going to go back around this way. Sorry, Ryan. I'm pushing our cameraman back. You can't see him, but he has a whole rig on, and he can't see where he's going. This is Caitlin, our everything person. She does everything. I'm not going to bother her too much. But yeah, we'll just stay live for a little bit longer, see if there are any trades, whether they go into that Celsius trade or reaches the levels. I know that that's what they're talking about right now. So we'll give it a couple minutes to see if they get into the trade, and if not, we'll close it here. But
All right, guys, I just entered a 1/10 position on workday at 211.85.
okay, so Gareth just entered a trade here. So
Yeah, 211.85 right here.
the first trade of the day here. And again, these trades, they're only going to take trades that they think have a high return rate, which is why we have, around an 88% win rate in the live day trading room. So we're going to go up to him in a second. But again, these trades, they're going to wait for them to play out. Sometimes these trades can last minutes, sometimes they can last hours, but it all depends on the movement in the day. So let's go over to Gareth and see what's going on. All right, Gareth, you entered a trade.
Yeah, I just got into workday here at 211.85. Just a 1/10 position, what I call a feeler position, dipping a toe in the water. But what I like about this here, folks, is that you're coming into some key technical support. There's a little bit of a level here on the charts that are just tagging it. And so this is the feeler position, and then we have more levels right below to go in if we need to. So again, we'll see how this goes. Right now I'm up a little bit on it, but I'm looking for probably $1 to $2 of a bounce.
Yeah. And when members of your trading room join the trading room, what do they see? Do they get all this information?
I just announced it as I got filled. I told them exactly my entry price, my exact entry. They're seeing our screen in front of them. They hear me over their microphone, so they're like fully into the trade, and they can get the information real time. Cool, man. All right, let me go back to it.
Yeah, we're gonna let him watch his trade. We're just gonna hang out since we just entered a trade.
Celsius getting the bounce. I had a good level on Celsius there.
We're gonna hang out
Quite
here.
get hit.
Talking about Celsius again.
Celsius. I was looking for a Pierce of 81. And
So again, I don't know if you can see here
trend line on Celsius. Zoom out.
that actually the members of our trading service can see their exact screens as Gareth is moving it. Some members are even allowed to ask questions, and
so it's off the table for me at this point.
so yeah, they're not taking that Celsius trade because it already had a bounce, but we'll see what happens with workday here.
So workday just doing its thing, flip-flopping around here. Spiders have continued to sell off a little bit. We're slightly negative on the day on the S&P.
And again, trading isn't that exciting. Like, it's not like really fast like that. So these trades might take minutes, they might take hours to come in, but it's all about the levels.
Very close to a level. Okay, I'm in DraftKings 35.59.
Dr. B entered a trade just now, so we're gonna go over there and talk to him on DraftKings.
That's an amazing fall of DraftKings.
he's really focused right now, choosing his level, so we're gonna give him a second. But he's watching this trade really close. Ryan, I don't know if you can see the screens, but
A microphone and
yeah.
everything here, huh?
Talk to me about
Very cool.
talk to me about the trade you just entered, DraftKings.
Yeah, so this was key, right? We were patient. DraftKings, I saw some weakness. DraftKings got rejected at VWAP, okay? And we were patient until it hit a technical level or formed another pattern, right? So it formed a falling wedge, which is a bullish pattern. I looked for a reversal signal and then entered on that reversal signal. You've got a lot of, factors here for a long. You've got bullish divergence, falling wedge, technical trend lines and support on multiple time frames. So, and look at this. We're in the money now, about 30 cents per share. Got
Yeah.
DraftKings having a nice
So,
little move here, just waiting for a
Dr. B's in the money. I'm not sure if you can see his screens, but he's in the money a good amount here. Around 35 cents here. He's looking for about $1 per share on this.
So NFA's ENTH.
And again, we're trying not to, get in their faces because they are trading right now. But it's kind of fun to take a look at what they're doing, letting you guys and sharing this with all of you.
I think we're up bigger on the day. Right now it's at 3.3%, so I'm going to go ahead and stay away from it. Not a bad level.
What a move on Celsius there. Wow. Incredible.
We're just going to wait here to see if this trade plays out for Dr. B. Again, I know watching charts move isn't the most exciting thing, but
3%
these things take time.
Workday's starting to bounce a little bit, guys. So good to see.
S&P is about, even on the day. Gapped up and then filled the gap. So
Just a side note on the NVIDIA. It's amazing on NVIDIA that, that's a
And while they're in these trades, they're constantly looking at other charts, looking for other potential trades. It's all about, and that's why we have, they always make fun of us for having so many screens, but really we do use them, all of them, surprisingly.
what are you seeing on the RSI there, Ben, on DraftKings? Anything?
Yeah, it's got positive RSI divergence. It's quite nice. It's just needs to establish itself inside the 30. And then
All right, guys, I am out of workday 213.50, 213.50. That's $1.65 profit. So again, 213.50. I am out. $1.65 profit. Beautiful, guys.
So Gareth just exited a trade for profit. We're gonna go talk to him.
So we just exited the workday trade, right? And it was a beautiful level. It was only a 1/10 because I wasn't as confident. But again, that's the beauty of it, legging in and just kind of starting small. And it gave us a $1.65 bounce. So right in that $1 to $2 zone. So beautiful little trade right there for the members in the Trading Apex Live trading room.
Yeah. Congratulations to all members. So we're gonna go over here and close.
Beautiful, guys.
I'm not sure if
All right,
Dr.
so
B
we'll
is
start this out.
gonna finish, but his might take a little longer to play out. But Let's do it here. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for tuning in for the trading floor. We will be back next week, Monday, for another episode of the trading floor. If you have any suggestions or comments, let us know. And we're doing our best to try and make this as enjoyable and as informative for you as possible. And we'll be back at 1 p.m. for Financially Fit with Ben Poole and I, where you'll be able to ask questions in our live chat. So, yeah, thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next time.